In this video, we are going to see a very famous Maharashtrian dish, Sabudana Khichdi. This is made with tapioca pearls, which is also known as Sabudana or sago pearls. Now, let's see how to make this. Take sabudana in a bowl and rinse it well for at least 3 to 4 times till we get a clear water. The perfect texture of khichdi lies in the rinsing of this sabudana. The water will be very cloudy when we rinse it for the first time. We need to drain up this water and repeat this process for at least 3 to 4 times. The water is much clearer now. I am going to strain the water for the last time. Now we need to soak this sago pearls for at least 5 to 8 hours or overnight. Add equal amount of water. That is, if you take 1 cup of sabudana, add 1 cup of water. Now in a fry pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds and some cumin seeds. This khichdi will taste so good if we add a little more oil. Once they splutter, add some chana dal. Adding mustard seeds and chana dal are optional. Also, we need to add some green chilies and some asafoetida or hing. Now I am adding about 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. You can also crush the peanut and add the peanut powder. Also I am adding a handful of curry leaves. We need to saute them on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I am adding 1 medium-sized potato cut into small pieces and soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Drain up the water and add the potato. Add some turmeric powder and chili powder. I am making this khichdi as a breakfast on a normal day, so I am adding all these things. If you are taking this khichdi on a fasting day, you can avoid this chili powder and turmeric powder. You can just add the green chilies. Close the lid and let it cook on a medium flame till the potatoes become tender. When the potatoes are half cooked, add the cleared salt and let them cook for some more time. The potatoes are fully cooked. They are nice and tender. Now we can add our soaked sabudana. As we can see, the water has been absorbed. The sabudana is moist. Add this to the pan and mix them all together very well. We need to cook this on a low flame till sago gets transparent. Now add required salt for the sagos. We already added salt for potatoes, so just add enough salt. Khichdi is ready when the sabudana becomes very glossy and transparent. We can switch off the flame now. I am adding juice from half a lemon. Spread the juice all over and mix it well. Before serving, add some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. The high level of carbohydrate in sabudana makes it a very perfect fasting diet. I hope you will enjoy this delicious sabudana khichdi. As always, try this recipe at home and leave your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to Honey Bunch family, welcome to our family. Please stick with us for many new recipes. See you all in another video. Until then, bye.